Deep in the rivers of the Amazon lives one of nature's most shocking creatures, the electric eel. Despite its name, it's not a true eel, but a type of knife fish. This creature can generate electricity strong enough to stun its prey or defend itself. Its body contains special electric organs made up of thousands of electric cells called electrocytes. When these cells discharge together, they produce a powerful shock of up to 600 volts. That's nearly 5 times more than the electricity in a wall socket. Electric eels use low-voltage pulses to sense their surroundings in dark, muddy water. They can even come to the surface to breathe air, unlike most fish. The electric eel, nature's living battery, and one of the most fascinating wonders of evolution.